water. We do have water. What else do we need for the stream? Hello. See, we want some anime pre-copyright music. See? Chinese music, no copyright. Hey, yay, 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 yay. Let's see, let's get my stream pop-up chat. Let's change this. This to tracked. Properties. Okay. Cool. Not nice. I need some lights. Let's see if I can work on this. Wow. Let's see how it is. Happy to see here. Now we have cool RGB lighting, I guess. Is this stream Full HD? Yes, like, cool. I mean, my camera is horrible. How can I improve this? Let's see. Maybe if I drag stuff more closer. Light here. Okay, better. Yeah. I guess. Hopefully. Testing, testing, testing. Sound. 1, 2, 3. Mic. Okay, cool. Coolio. Let's see something here. We have 2 viewers. People, how is the sound? That's super important. And meanwhile, I'm gonna change the wallpaper and open nanos. Let's see. Get some water. And today we will be doing 2 things. First, converting our Wawa Jack to a Pandora's box and adding a new tool called Wawa Jack. Esoteric EBB? What is this game? Oh, looks cool. Looks super cool. But we are here for nanos, right? It's too quiet. It's too quiet. What do you mean it's too quiet? It's like my microphone that is too quiet, like you can't hear me. It's too quiet. I don't know what this means. I have less than of my editor career if anyone finds out. Okay. Opposite of loud. Yeah, so you can't hear me. Is this correct? Like you can't re-hear me. Oh. Ah, here. Maybe now it's too loud. Maybe now it's too loud. Hello. Now it's too loud. Hi, always the same drama of finding. Let's see here. Oi, cool. We have the Android server here. Steam apps, nanos. Steam apps, common. Nanos word server. Also, let's update to see if the Nanos server is up to date. Nanos. See, we have to update the Nanos server. Opposite of loud. And this chat is in live mode. You can see the hearts. I don't know. Just change something. Okay, cool. Now it's updated. Let's start the server. We have default weapons, default vehicles, sandbox. First of all, we need to review some new assets, right? As far as I know. Scripts. Default vehicles update. Let's update this. What else do we need? Rock the vote. Waba crash. Yes, last stream we were doing. Now it's echoing. Now it's echoing. Let me see. How do I sound on stream? Oh, hi. My name is 123. Now it's echoing. Let me see. How do I sound on stream? It's quite I My name is dude. Next time I'm getting that microphone that stays in my face. It's quite I My name is dude. Next time I'm. Oh, I think it was echoing because it was open here. No. I don't know. We are like open personal now. I hope we are. Anyway, I'm pretty sure now we have new assets to review. And what did I need to? Oh, default characters, cool. Let's see maps. We have Necropolis from Rating. Map design for the Nanos or the Halloween game mode is a Necropolis graveyard kit assets made by Kurt Rounds. Comes a spawn point defined for the Halloween game mode. Ooh, that's cool. There are screenshots, there are reviews, no team logo. Updates, cool. Dependencies, cool. And info. I'm gonna give cool. Didn't test, but looks cool. I don't trust people with no profile picture. See? I think that's good. What else do we have here? We have procedural blocky map. We don't have ratings. Oh, there are Turing test Polygon CT. Terrible Amazon review. Like all Shopee reviews, exactly. Missing the script. Not extremely junky because it has logo. Do we have screenshots? Oh, there are screenshots. I want to change my rating. Cool, new. Missing description. There's is there a description now? Info. Okay. God. Why is this good? Oh my god, my YouTube is auto translating it to English. What? Which description? Okay. Played once. Amazing. What else do we have? No team logo. Cool. What else do we have here to review? Vault, maps. Let's give the content the review. Where is Ido? I really want to remove this auto translation thing from my extensions and themes. Hey, Firefox. Chat translator. Okay, cool. It's disabled now. Where's Ido? Who knows? Nanos duty. I don't know. This is. Oh, there are no team reviews. No description. Fate retrieval data reason dot. Who knows? Okay, cool. So let's get started with the content creation for the Nanos world, right? Come on, Nanos world server, and here we can already go to. Okay, let me show what we did in the last string. So we have this new 2 that is the Waba, and it's not here. And the new 2 is not here. Let's see, what are we loading? Sandbox Wabajack is here, and the name of the folder is where is my package? Soon the rating will have a logo. Last thing we learn how to crash the game. Yes, and that's what we are doing today also. But we will be doing something quite different. We will be doing like a Wabajack arena, and there will be Waba Crash was in the vault for me. It is in the vault, but for some reason it's not in my packages here. I don't know what I did. I'm just gonna use the amazing Nanos CLI, so we can say CLI download package Waba Crash CLI install package Waba Crash. Cool. That's super nice. Let's see. And Waba Crash is here. Nice. See, it's super easy to use the Nanos word CLI. I didn't have a package, now I have it, and all of my packages are updated now, apparently. Good. So, last stream we stopped at. Where is my package? Fail to find Wabajack in the vault because it doesn't exist. It's Waba Crash. That's why. So last stream we were doing this. We wrote the waiting for one async callback to complete loading word. Cool. Okay, so last string we stopped here with the Wabajack. But the problem, my dear viewer and Nanos word enthusiasts, I hope you guys are here. And the problem is this is in theory a staff, but I don't have a target, right? So if I come here and I use, and I use the Waba Crash, it will do like random stuff to the word, right? But see how we just like did the random stuff to the word. So what we're going to do in this string is we will be converting. Oh, and now I'm a log, and we will be converting this 2 to another 2 called Pandora's box. That will do the same. We stay the same. We will act the same. We'll do random stuff to the word, and on top of this we will build the Wabajack staff. That is basically what we have today. See? Oi. Oh. What happened with Minecraft word? We are doing Nanos word April Fool's content, and then we will be back to Minecraft and Dig when we are done with April Fools. So like it's pretty cool. It does a bunch of random stuff that you can't tell what is happening. But again, I think it's too nonsensical, so we will be changing some stuff. I'm gonna click until it crashes. See? Nice. Amazing, amazing. And we are still going. It is a weird. It is a weird tool. I'm not. I will not say otherwise. Cool. And we have some errors. We are we are playing as an axe now. It's super fun. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, so what we are going to do is we are coming here to the Waba Crash server, and instead of inheriting a melee, we will be inheriting a prop. And instead of doing this constructor, we will spawn this as a prop where we can click on the prop and do crazy shit. And then we will be doing a staff where we aim at someone and we are going to do something to this someone that we are aiming at. Cool? Hope you guys understood. Hi. I'm really thinking if I should start drinking during nanos strings. Maybe next one. Yeah, right. So let's change this to props. Go to Wobbajack constructor. Let's see how do we inherit from props. Opening the documentation, docs.nanos work. This was the most chaotic package we ever had. That's true, and that is the most chaotic package that we had so far. Inheriting classes. Please add this to Sandbox. It's gonna be super cool to have this. By the way, yeah, I know that's drink to incentive people to get hydrated. Do we have a way to create entities for Sandbox? Because entity is not exactly something, right? It's not like a... I want to be able... What is China playing here in my background? Anyway, is there a way to add something to this screen? Like I want to add the object here. How do I do this? Like how do I create a flashlight? I am still an axe. Sandbox consider anything inherited from prop as entity. Perfect, that's exactly what I want. So, oh, and another question, how do I use... Oh, that's on the client side, okay, cool. So we come here, we inherit prop. Name Wobbajack, we have here, and now we are going to change his name to Pandora's box. Name. Pandora's box. Cool. Category. Do we need a category? Let's see how Sandbox does this. Objects. I'm gonna maybe objects. Flashlight. Let's see flashlight. Oi. Flashlight. And the client side. Objects. Cool, perfect. So that's what we want. Why do you... I'm just gonna copy this. Waba crash. You come here. We will be doing the Wobbajack staff soon. Wobbajack. Did I miss something? Yeah, I did. I'm not. I don't know if I am quite happy with this song playing on the background. Pandora box. Pandora box. Pandora box. Pandora box. Cool. Name. I think this is enough, right? We don't need the second part, I guess. And category it's objects. Cool. Index, chaos, and maybe we need something later. No, it's just chaos. Server, the constructor. How do we inherit a prop? This is a constructor in this case from prop. Okay, so location rotation. Checks. And do any kind of logic here? So we don't. Okay, that's what we want. Yes, that's what we want. I also want to save this constructor for the Wawajack sandbox. Okay, cool. Nothing was said in the chat. Amazing. I don't care about this. I don't care about this. And we will be also creating a new file called Pandora box and Wabajack. Those will be two different things for nanos. I don't like this music. It's really, really bad. Let's see whatever is this. Okay. Pandora's box, Wabajack. This will be. I'm gonna copy this to Wabajack. We will be doing this. This will be the melee. This is how do you write it? Is I never know how do you write melee. That's correct. Cool. This will be the constructor for the Wabajack. And I'm gonna also copy. Yeah, I don't want to copy this part, this section, but I do want to copy this part right here. We will be using this later for something. Okay, cool. We still have our Wabajack, and we will also be including our Pandora's box. Also, let me copy. No, it's fine. This will be the Pandora's box. Pandora box. I'm gonna just replace whatever. Pandora box. Cool. And here we, instead of having a 2, we will probably a cube is fine. And then instead of attack, we will subscribe grab. And whoever grabs this, we are gonna run the same stuff that we had before. So package reload. Oh, I'm missing a lot of stuff. I forgot to use my index properly. Did I already copy this? Yes, anyway, we have the Jack here, we have Pandora's box here, one is a prop, and the other one is a melee. I hope I did this right. And here index, we want to run a package that require Pandora box and wabajack.lua. Cool. Cool. In the client side, we do have the Pandora's box, and let me restore whatever we had before this. Wait, cool. And now we also had the Pandora's box. Cool, nice. Chaos we use the same image is fine. Let's restart the server. Package reload all. Let's see here in entities. We have the object. Ooh. Fail to find item to spawn tab entities ID. Fail to find item to spawn. What do you mean fail to find item to spawn? We have a constructor. Am I missing something? see something here. Spawn menu. Spawn menu. Spawn menu on the server side. Line 1 4. Maybe class name is different. What do you mean? What do you mean class name is different? Here is Pandora box function, Pandora's box constructor. I just copied the how to inherit a prop. Pandora box, yes. What is the deal? You are saying that the client side is different. That's it? Like here? Here it should be like this. Okay, let's test. Panda, oh yeah, let me restart the server. Inherit parameter is the name. Oh yeah, okay. I'm dumb. Okay, amazing. There's no way to fast reload this. Nice. Let's see what we have here. Prop, not prop, entity. Cool, nice. If we grab, nice. That's what we want. Now we have this chaotic box. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. And I'm also gonna check here if we can have a nice prop that is like a proper box, you know? There are new treasure chest assets now. Cool. Let's see. Light switch, treasure chest. Like this one, ornate chest. That's cool. And there is the open version. Honestly, I'm just gonna use this one here. It's enough. Dude, that's so cool. Chest. I'm gonna also create a timer to add like you're gonna see it. So you can disable actually grabbing and listen to interactive event. What I want to do is, instead of doing like this, and then when interacting, can change the mesh to the open one. Okay, I like this. I like your idea. Do I have a way to get everything? Is there a way to do like entity, not entity, what is like actor? What is a base actor? Like base entity. What is the upmost class in nanos? Is there like a class that is like is a base for everything? What I want is I want to grab all characters, all weapons, all vehicles. I want to do something like this. It doesn't exist, right? Doesn't exist. Base entity. There is a way. Wow. Okay, cool. Because I'm gonna do this, so I can subscribe to interact. You say to me that I should instead, let's use treasure chest. So chest 01, SM chest 01. Also we want to disable grabbing, so prop disable grab. Wait, here. Collision type, grab mode. I just want to set grab mode. Set grab mode, perfect. Self set grab mode. Grab mode. I want grab mode disabled. Disabled. Oi. Cool. Also here in interact, and I also want to add is, how do I add a property? Is open. Is open. Starts false. If self dot is open, then return. We don't care about you interacting with opened one. Then we do self dot is open equals true, and here we change the mesh. Set mesh. Authority side. Cool. Self set mesh, and we want specifically this one here. We want the chest 01 open. Cool. 01 open. What else do we need? We want to also to add a cool rainbow effect to this. And how do I get this? Amazing. Wabbajack, wabbajack, wabbajack. Baba crash in server Pandora's box. Here in the constructor, I want I think that's enough for now. Let's see how it behaves. Oh, I just want. Okay, cool. Ooh, but the grab mode is false. How do I interact with this? Is there a grab mode for interacting? How do I listen to interact? Okay. Package reload all. Oh, my bad, I never got a mode, but return false and interact. Return false. And here return false. And also we want, after this, if it's open, we want self set grab mode disable. Cool. Package. I really want my reload package again. Let's create this entity, Pandora's box. Ooh, we have the Pandora's box here. Let's see if it works. Attempted to index a global value entity. Entity does not exist. Base entity. I really wanna it has self-life. Self-live. So entity.getAll does not exist. Is this just one side? Like I want to get all characters. I want to get table.insert. I want to get also a handler. I'm gonna do what I was doing before. I think it's fine. Like the first targets they will be just like the person that opened the box and the box. Okay, let's see. I refuse to continue with no debug package. I refuse. Let me remember. I think I have a debug here. Cool. I'm gonna write a new debug. Do I have a debug package? Server, client, index.lua, Lia. Index.lua. This is for the client one, and this is for the server. Debug. Debug server. Cool. We can now reload packages finally. What else? Spawning shit. Not this. Okay, I'm gonna just. In config, we also want the package debug. Cool, perfect. Now we can press P to reload the package. Finally, after all of this struggle. Anyway, let's see how it is. Pandora's box. Let's open. Okay, nice. I like it. It's behaving as I was expecting. We have a Pandora's box and the game crashed. Cool. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, nice. Now we have Pandora's box, and now we start pointing the Wabba Jack, actually. We'll be doing the Wabba Jack from Skyrim, so you're gonna see it. Wabba Crash. I'm gonna keep it in the same package because perfect. Because yes, I just like April Fool's content, right? If I don't see any reason to make a different package to add another two. And here's the Wabbajack, and I think the Wabbajack is working. I need to kill Nanosword. Cool. I really hope everything else. Oh, even Sting got killed. Okay, cool. Maybe should I add like a music around the Pandora's box? I think it's okay. We should still have the Wabbajack. So if we come, oi, it's lagging. My PC is lagging. Ay. Dig. Oh, and thanks for again the guy that did the loading screen. It's super cool and works really well. Let's see if we have a weapon. Wabbajack is still here. It's quite. I think this crashed with characters. Maybe can disable characters spawning. Why? Why is this a problem? Why? I think we should keep the characters on this whole thing. Loading screen by Yotix. Yes, Yotix. Thank you. This loading screen is amazing. And I don't know what is happening here. My Vin is dead. Let's see here. Let's go back to our Waba crash server. Wabajack. Let's remove this. Amazing. And we should have the Wabajack working again. Oi! No, oh, how do that's dangerous. That's super dangerous. Hello, everybody. Passing by to wish you another great cold stream session and good vibes. Thank you, Teniar tip. I don't know how to say your name, but thank you. I appreciate. Check this. I'm gonna open this box just for you. I'm gonna open this another box for the other guy. Uh-huh. Amazing. Even a Tung Tung left in the box. Even a Tung Tung Sahur. Okay, cool. Let's see. Bayonet step attack. Now we implement the Wabajack. Oh yeah. So the Wabajack, what we want is we want to make a Wabajack arena for the April Fools. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna make an arena and let people with staffs trying to kill each other. They do not be as crazy as this box here, but I want to implement stuff on it. Like currently the Wabajack and the box, they do the same, right? But that's not what we want. That's not what we want. We don't want this. We don't want this happening. See? No, we don't want this. Cool. So let's see. Wabajack, instead of doing all of this, get all asset specs. Yes, we need. Trail meshes, we do need. Transfer particles, yeah. Let's go down here and see what we do. So the Wabajack will have some different functions, right? We want, first of all, to spawn a burst of emojis. I think that's the first thing, is to spawn a bunch of emojis, right? This is, I'm gonna delete this, all of this. I won't get all. I might move this up. I might move this up to here, so we know beforehand all static meshes and all particles. How are you doing? Let's also do this. It's okay. Run on seed. We move this up. We move this up here. I think the views should each ask. I think the viewers should each ask an effect for the Wabajack. I agree. I think the viewers should ask for the effects for the Wabajack. Oh, hi Jan, how are you doing? Hey Jan, check this. I'm gonna, oh wait, first I'm gonna reload this. It's too messy. This is your first nanos stream, I guess, and for you I'm opening a box. And the box, let's see. I'm kind of opening a box for each person here. So I'm gonna open this for you. Let's see. Okay. Amazing. That's exactly what we were expecting. Anyway, first of all, let's go back to the to the Wabajack. We want to move this up. We want to move this around here. Cool. Jen's box was catastrophic. Yes, it was. Now all of these functions I think I remove. I think I remove them now. I'm gonna keep them. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here. So the idea of the Wobbajack is a staff. It's a staff that will choose. Oh no, don't join the server. Don't join the server. Restart. It's a staff that will shoot something into someone, right? And this will apply one effect in that person. The final objective is to have a deathmatch where everyone have a Wobbajack and people can fight each other. That's the idea. So first, what I was thinking was emoji burst. You just spawn like a bunch of emojis into the other person, and we can play some silly, you know, wine sounds. Not wine, vine. You remember this? Like, things like this. Like, needs to be super silly. Okay, so let's go for this. Emoji, do I have emojis here? No, but I do have emojis here. Asset pack. Default asset packs. Emoji. Yay, we do have a lot of emojis from 1 to 81. That's quite a lot of emojis. Function. That's so cool. You should you're gonna see it. Transform character to prop. No, that's not what we want. We want from this emoji to this emoji. So we have 81. I think that's how we do it in Lua. I think we have a spawn prop. Yes, we do have a spawn prop. We have a count that is currently a random value. I think that's okay. That's what I'm gonna copy this. Where is this O came from? I'm gonna call emoji burst. Base location, it's fine. I think that's it. Count, beat, like a lot of emojis. We don't care much about last props. We don't care about this. The location, rotation random, that's perfect. Assets here. What happened? Here, asset, we are back. Here we want nanos, word, SM emoji in. I honestly don't know on how to add this padding with Lua. Huh. Better this. Why I'm going to do emoji assets? Because we can burst other silly stuff. I think I like this idea. So we can run around on emojis, I don't know, fruits and stuff like this. So let's come back here and define our emoji assets. Here, O again, emoji assets. Cool, thank you. And let's see, we do SM emoji 01. And how many do we have? Let's copy this. Click. I think that's it. Yeah. What happens if I do this? Oh, works. Perfect. So we want 81. So 7. Ah, perfect. Cool. We have our emoji assets. We are spawning props. Random scale. That's okay. Lifespan. Let's get. I think it's fine. 10 seconds. Let's just like have a fixed lifespan. No, let's keep it random. Let's keep it Wabajaki. Physics damping, I don't care. Add impulse. Oh yeah, now we are working. Return. We are returning something here because before in the Pandora's box we would use the return of the function to do other stuff. Okay, cool. First of all, we don't care about this, we don't care about this, and actions, we are going... Oi, that's interesting. I'm gonna rename this to... Obajack actions. I really hope it didn't change here. It did. So what I do now? Okay, cool. Cool. Object actions, we run just one action actually. So number of actions, I'm gonna just, instead of doing this, maybe just run a random action. We have a target. I'm gonna change this target. I need to like pick from the client and see who we are aiming at. And instead of adding to a timer, I'm just gonna do this. And the target will... It's okay. That's okay. And we are calling the target from the targets. Okay, let's see. Let's test and see how it goes. Let's reload the package. See here, Jack, and boom, error. Length of a new emoji assets. It doesn't make sense, does it? Because it's local. Maybe that's why. Oh, maybe that's why. We don't want those local weapon classes. This is the written, not the night. Oi. Ooh, okay, cool. And this also. Nice. Let's reload the package. And like that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's what we want. Now we want those emojis flying with a lot of angry towards something. Let's see here. Project emoji burst and add impulse. So this part here, I need to get where the character is looking at. They need to throw forward. I agree with you. I agree with you. That's what I'm going to do now. I was just testing. Now they're going to random directions. Whatever. And I don't know how to do this, so I'm gonna copy. See the puke gun if you need example. Thank you so much. I do need an example. Puke gun, client. Mwah, mwah. You. No, the puke gun is cool. Look at this. Where is the puke gun? Tools here. Puke gun. See, you can puke things out. You can even puke characters out. It's super cool. Anyway, puke gun options. I don't care much about options, but I do want the fire. Oh, fire. Oh, I guess it took the bit literally. Puke gun, call remote event, set custom force. I wanna know on how are you getting. You're doing this on the server side. You are doing this on the server side. Wow, wow. That's I was not. I was expecting another thing. Love the background music, by the way. Thank you, thank you. We have someone that enjoys the background music. Puke on fire. So I'm gonna get. Oh, I can do this control rotation. That's perfect. I forgot about this. This here. But we get this. The option we don't care. Get for vector. That's and add impulse. Okay, cool, cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was in need for this. Wobbajack, wobbajack, wobbajack. Emoji burst. And here in base, I will have to send my handler. I think. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna. I don't want. I don't want to send like the target also like. I'm gonna send a handler, so this is gonna be fixed. I'm gonna send who is holding. Let's just follow it, self handler. So all of the actions of the wobbajack will have the wobbajack itself, the handler, and an optional target. Okay, that's gonna be a rule for the for whatever we are doing here. Action. It's okay if it's new. It's okay. Self handler and target, and in emoji burst space, we will also receive the handler, and we will also receive the target. Why? Because we want the same function signature for all of our wobbajack functions, and I just deleted whatever I was in my hand. Anyway, we have emojis, we have location, we have rotation, we have asset, we have a prop, scale, lifespan. Okay. Physics damping, add impulse. I will not add the physics damping. Dinner time, gotta run. Have a good stream. Thank you, Jen. Thanks for passing by. I do want my handler. I want to control rotation. Cool. Spawn location. Yeah. So my prop. Where am I defining my prop? I don't want this. Here. I want spawn location. It's fine. Set scale, lifespan, and impulse. You have the forward vector, and you are doing add impulse to the forward vector times force. The force, I'm gonna do some like I'm gonna hard code something here. Let's see this. Let's see if it works. Weapons. Let's see. Wobbajack. No. Attempt to index a global new value self. Huh. What do you mean? What do you mean? Wow! Attack. Let's see if melee attack. Is this a function signature? I think it is, right? Attack. Events. Attack. Self handler. Attempt. Oh no. It's here. It's not self. This is base. Okay, cool. Let's see. Prop. Yes, there is no prop. It's my prop. Okay, so Said, this is important. The self on inherit is already intrinsic. So Said, the self and inherit. Oh, it's okay. That's not the problem. There is a. I really want to create the Vim extension, the official Vim extension, because I see this, all of those squiggles. I hate it. I think it's simple to make the Vim extensions, and I would like solve a bunch of problems on my when I'm coding. Anyway, let's see here. Wobbajack. Boom. Oh yeah, see? Looks okay. Looks okay. We just need some sound. And let's see, NPC Mayo. Yes, especially for the Wabajek Arena. Hey, my dude. We need some sound. We need some sound. We are missing some sound. I want this. Maybe the animation can be faster. That's true, the animation can be faster. I agree, I agree, I agree. So, self-speed. Where is animation? Animation here. This is the multiplier, right? And I think I'm gonna use the animation for... There's a better animation, right? Oh, that's cool! If you jump, there is like a chance for you to fly with the emojis. We need sound. We need sound. That's true. That's a must. I'm thinking maybe... Samsung sound. That's exactly what we need. I'm gonna create a new folder, SFX, as always. And how do I open this? I'm gonna do this. No, I don't want this. I want to download the sound. So, client, SFX, and here I will just download the sound. Cool, perfect. And also I want to edit this. It's gonna be emoji. And our Audacity. Wait, hi Audacity. Look at this. It's perfect. What? Why the speed is weird? I want mono. I don't want a stereo sound here. Swap stereo split to mono. Perfect. That's what we want. Export audio. Export. Emoji. No, we export somewhere else. We exported it to my game. to my other game. Dig here. Wabaj, crash, client, SFX, save, export. Yes. Amazing. Cool. Now I'm gonna use where is my friend the Nano's mother? I wanna use the networked sound. Yeah, here, perfect. I forgot how do I use networked sound. Networked sound. I really forgot on how to. Oh, here. There's an example. That's perfect. That's perfect. We want this, and when we do the emoji burst, we do this. We spawn it, but I don't want a 2D sound. SFX, random float, it's fine. And here I'm gonna do Wawa crash, client SFX, emoji. This is I want a position here. But it's 2D, right? It is 2D. Do I already have base location? Okay, cool. I think that's enough. Let's see here. We need to add this. Networked sound. Networked sound. This package is from Nogitsu, right? Anyway, I hope he doesn't bother me using his package. Let's see. Server starts successfully. Is this correct? I don't trust. I don't trust like nothing actually. Let's see. Okay, so people that are live now, do you guys have any suggestion for the next effect for the Wobba Jack? My sound from nanos is quite low, maybe. It is low, it's low. That's super cool. I don't want to pitch this. I don't want to pitch here. Forgot something. Oh my god. That's perfect. I think that... What do you think about this? Next function is shooting... transforming someone else in a chicken. I think that's a must. Wait. How do I really want to increase the damage. Chicken. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna do the chicken thing. My Wobba Jack. Oh, my Wobba Jack. My Wobba Jack. Okay, cool. Now, Said, I have an important question. I'm gonna have this target here where I'm aiming at. I need to get it from the client side, right? There is no way for me to get from the server side. Because like now I have a problem. I'm subscribing to attack, but I'm thinking I will have to have a custom attack function. Yeah, I will have to have a custom attack function. This will not be possible anymore. So wait. Just move your attack to client, and from there, trace and send to server. Sorry, I don't understand you. You are saying to me that I should move this to my client side, right? Right? Oh. I'm gonna call it a crash, it's fine. We don't want to be sued by Wobba Jack, and also I want to do package dot require package voila crash dot lua. You're saying to me that I should move my attack to my client side, but then you would need to verify if the attacker is the local player. Okay, I see what you're you're telling me that I should do local character equals client dot get local player, right? I do this if character different than handler, then I return. That's it. client always exists, local player always exists, and the control character may or may not exist. It's fine. If it's new, it's gonna be new. But the problem now is, so the WebObject functions. I will have like a events.subscribe remote. I'm gonna have like function WebObject attack, maybe something like this. And here I want to receive base handler target, and I will also say to the player, right? This is like a mandatory. And from how we were doing before, we want a random WebObject action. So we get a random action from the list. Cool. We call the action. Wait. That's cool. That's cool. So we call with the... I don't need exactly to send the character, right? But I'm gonna send it. Okay. I know I don't need it. I know I don't need it. But I'm gonna do it anyway. So instead of calling self, this will be the WebObject itself. This will be the handler. So this will be the WebObject, the handler, and the target. That's it. That's what I want. And from this side, I need to do events.call remote and call WebObject attack, WebObject attack. Okay. I want to call WebObject attack. I want to send self handler and not a target. Oh, this works well. And to get a target, we need to come here and see. Search for trace. Look at this. Now it's impossible to just find track. We copy this. We literally copy this. We want whatever. If I hit a cheese or if I hit I want the function get target, whatever. Perfect. That's perfect. Perfecto. Get local player, amazing. Get camera, perfect. Direction, and location, filter, we want word no, we don't want word static, word dynamic, physics body. We want everything. It's perfect. Trace only visibility, draw debug, we don't want to draw debug, I guess. Trace complex, return entity, trace result, we do a line. If success, we got an entity, so we can return the result itself. Actually, we want result.entity. If not, whatever. That's okay. So that's what we want, right? I think that's it. I want to call local target and then get target, self handler and target. Perfect. I guess it would just introduce. Okay, cool. Is this correct? I think it's fine. Weapons. Let's see. Get the WebObject. Amazing. Okay, cool. Now we need to transform stuff into chicken. I think I already have a play S, like oh, but the chicken is more complex than this, right? Work it first attempt, doubt it. Well, well, I think it's okay. The little parrot is correct, no? No? Play as a chicken. 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 Screw it. Where is the chicken? I want a chicken sound effect. Require default characters and just spawn chicken. So silly. That's so silly. Okay, cool. So here here in the server, require default characters. Default character. Oh, I don't have it. Really? So I think I need to set here default characters. I also need to have default vehicles because we're gonna use it. You're gonna spawn like a truck on us. And we also want networked sound. Networked sound. Cool. This is a good sound, right? No, I don't like it. Rooster. That's it. It makes me want to die. There's already, but yeah, but I want you to make chicken sounds when I am like, you know, throwing the chicken. I mean, not the spawn, the spell, casting the spell. The chicken already screams when spawn. Okay. So we need like a fireball sound. Right? Like a ball. I mean, like a. Let's first test it. Let's first do this. The chicken test. We do that here. We want default characters. That's just it. And I can, and I do have like chicken. No, okay. Lava Jack, Lava Crash. We want here default. No. Package dot require package. We want default characters. Cool. Animate to call chicken. Function. Transform in chicken. Base handler. Target. And here you're telling me that I can do it like this. Chicken. No, not like chicken. And like base dot get location. Let's see this. Let's see what happens if we do this. Let's comment this function. Transform in chicken. Weapons. How do you replace character being controlled here. Let's see if Sandbox have this. Sandbox, nanos. Tip, spawn the object in index Lua, so you always have it when reloading package. What do you mean? But what? But I already have. Huh? Ah, I see. I see. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not. It's not giving me a headache doing this. Like, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We want to transform the target. If target is new, then we return. First of all. Second of all, we already see a character here, and we want to replace this character, right? So let me first do this. Console log target. What I imagine is anything to chicken. Yeah, but like if this character, if target is a character, I need to get the player. So I need to do like this, like local player, get player, and if player. No, yeah, I need this. I need to do this. And if player equals in return, if not, I need to do like target destroy. And I'm always destroying my targets. The right row, whatever. I'm just destroyed my target. And here, if player local chicken. If player, then I need to process. I need to do like player process chicken. Don't return on player new. It's true. And that's not local. If the character, then I get the player, I destroy the target, and I transform it into chicken. Cool. You know, like target, get location. Okay, cool, perfect. Handler, doesn't matter. Let's see this. There is an already inherited class with the name chicken. What? 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 Okay, I see. So I can't include default characters here. Is it correct? Why it's complaining? It's saying it's telling me error loading file. Why I can't do this? I mean, it's crashing. Package that require package deprecated. By 4 years. I still use it. Okay. Okay, there is no target. Apparently. What happens if I do this? Why there's too much stuff. And now we need like a fireball, you know, we need something flying. Oh, yeah. Don't worry, I know how to do it with this. I know how to deal. You can transform a chicken into a chicken. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like this. I want something like more I don't like this. I don't like this. I want a trigger that flies around and transforms stuff into chicken. It needs to explode when transforming. It does. Oi. A particle. Good idea. It throws a magical ball that triggers when. Yeah, I think that's better. I'm gonna still have my transform to chicken function here, and maybe it's gonna be really useful to have a direction here, so we know right where we are looking at. And in the client, I also want to get the direction. Oh no, we already have the character rotation for the forward vector. We don't need the direction here. So transform to chicken. It's gonna be a helper function. It's fine. It's gonna be function chicken ball. Chicken ball. Perfect. Chicken ball. We want our local trigger. That's equal to trigger, and I need to check the trigger function signature because I never know how is to declare a trigger. Cool, perfect. The location is base, actually handler. Get location, rotate or whatever. That's the size. That's the color. And I want to do trigger dot translate to I want to get my I want to get handler get forward vector. No, handler get rotation, that control rotation. Get forward vector. This is giving me a direction, not a location. So I'm gonna do this. So I want like my handler get location plus this. So I'm gonna translate to this place. Maybe 1 second. You now have the hit event. You now have the hit event with the entity parameter. What do you mean? Hit. And why it's easier than a trigger? I don't want like a ball that hits someone in the head. But it would be super fun to have a ball that hits people in the head. Okay, cool. Translate to trigger is not supported, is not supposed to work with translate to. Then you might ask, oh, how do you do this then? You do a local prop equals prop. You do a position is handler get location. Rotator nanos word SM known. We do a trigger attach to prop, and then we translate the prop. See? Perfect. You now have that's okay. And maybe use an SM sphere. Now we want like effects on this, right? We want like a I honestly don't know. I'm thinking like instead of doing okay, okay. That's perfect. I don't want to draw this anymore. It's gonna be false. And the ball. we're not like I have a new idea. This ball, like this power, will have I think it's fine. Now how do we make this ball looks cool? And we don't want collision. Prop. Do we have like a fire effect? Oh yeah, we do have. Networked sound. We have our prop handler. Get location. And instead of doing this, we want to use sound for nanos. Default asset pack. Sound. A. What is the A? What? Empty hit taking. I want like a fire. You know, like a growl off screen attack. Whoosh. That's what I want. I want to play a whoosh. I know this word whoosh. SFX true. Attached to prop. Yes. Translate the prop. And we need to remove the collision from the prop. Do we want to remove the collision from the prop? We don't. That's exactly how we want. We want like a physical prop doing weird stuff. Okay. So we have this. Alright. See? I need to spawn this a little bit. A little bit further. So we avoided hitting ourselves. 32 there for the charm. It's still hitting me. 100. Oh, and this we want prop. And the whoosh is not playing. Trigger has no overlap, only classes. I do want pass all if you want to detect all. Yes, trigger overlap, only classes. Oh, that's amazing. Everything will become a chicken. Oh, and the chicken needs to die after a while. So we want to use chicken dot set lifespan 10. Buy chicken. What else? Settle over. And the whoosh is not playing. Why the whoosh is not playing? Oh yeah. Okay, it's cool. Okay, it's cool. Whoosh! Yeah, the whoosh is not playing. And why this is hitting me? Why, my dear? This is hitting myself. It should not hit me. $200. No. There's an error in the console. Let's see. Okay, cool. Now it's... But like, the wobble jack is hitting the ball. Can I like remove the collision from this thing? No, right? Trigger. How do I say it is? I'll on overlap. Trigger. Is that, yeah, I did like a big offset, right? Sphere trigger subscribe. That's what I want. Let's copy this. And whatever this touches, I want to transform into chicken. That's perfect, that's perfect. Now everything will become a chicken. Let's see. Even myself, probably. Oh! We also... How do we send if actor triggering is equals handler, if actor trigger equals is there a way for me to send those values to this function? Yeah, cool, right? And this needs to be different from the trigger itself. This doesn't happen, right? And from our prop. Okay, cool. Is there a way to bind, like to send parameters here, like extra parameters to this function? Let's see. Okay, cool. Apparently it worked. Like, let's see. Let's spawn stuff. We are getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Now we need the particles. We need the effects. We need like, and we need the whoosh. Where is my whoosh? Okay, cool. You can't bind, but any variable you access inside it is stored as up values, and it will work. Okay, wait. Why no Gitsu? Fix your package. So this does not work, sadly. And what I'm going to do, I want to push updates to lib now. Yes, Cheatoid, please do. Please do. Oh, we are in the news, and nanos word news. That's cool. I want a whoosh, like I want a. I think I have it. Let me see. I'm not gonna show because legends, bang, no, Apex. I had like a folder full of whooshes. Guns, no. Audio, no. Master, no. Lead line guns. No, guns, no. Audio, no. What is this? Went like a fireball cast sound. By the way, Said, do we have a way to make cool spells? Like fireballs or something like this? or a particle of some sort where I can use it. Nope. And then let's see. Wait, no, that's the Pandora box. Not this one. Also I want trigger. Let's set lifespan 1, and I also want prop. Set lifespan 1. Yes. Now that I'm thinking, it would be cool to actually shoot the prop, the particle, like the ball, right? Okay, default particles. Let's see what we have here. This is cool. P explode 2. Yeah, but I want the fireball itself, you know, not only the touching. But I thank you so much. I'm gonna use it now. Also want like particle. It is a fireball. Wait. Particle. Thank you. Particle. We want this. We copy there. Let's see. My particle. The position will be prop. Get location. Rotator. P explode 02. Out destroy maybe. And we want to also do my particle attach to prop flare shimmer. Cool. Flare shimmer 02 and attach to prop. Let's see how it is. Leader's ring, dude. I'm loving this. The particle is not attaching apparently. Maybe something like here? Did you attach? Yes. I'm using here particle attached to. Let me see if it's. And we also want P leaders ring. And maybe it was like the name of the remove or destroy. Oh, false. Leave the outer parameter. Leave and attach to. Okay, cool. Let's see. It's not going with it. Like it's not attaching to the prop. Particles are weird. Particle attach to. Try the other ones. I'm trying to use all of them. Let me remove the explode. But I'm already respawning all. Let's see what else we have here. Attached to, right? To mention attached to other attachment rule. Bone name lifespan here. This you mean? Okay. 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 So I want to use attach to new 1, 2, 3. Attach to 1, 2, 3. Attach to same. Oh yeah, cool. The particles are becoming chickens. uh, that's perfect. This sound is horrible. It's not emoji, it's fireball, I guess. I forgot. Fireball. Fireball. And we have it. And we have the next function of the wobble jack. Nah. But if we like 1 or 2. Okay, that's okay, cool. And this fire sound, I didn't like it, but I'm going to do some quick fix on it. Where's my Audacity? Here, cool. Here. Yes, that's what I want. Yay, now we have Wobbajack that can spell emoji and chickens and transform the emojis into chickens. Okay, now there's a problem because the Wobbajack I think is too fast. Like it reloads really fast. Now it's cool. I mean, what is happening with this sound? What? The sound that needs to fully play. I don't think I like this translation. I don't think I like this translation. I want like I want to throw the ball, you know, like a proper. Or I want the ball kicking. I want like some stinky. I'm going to pee. 1 second. I'm back. Okay, cool. Now. Oh, and I'm back with some guacamole. Hmm. Amazing. Okay. The OGG file is weird. It's fine. Hmm. Add impulse. Get forward vector. True. Okay. And lifespan. Okay, cool. Okay, Roshi. Let's see how it is. Wait, not this. It's disappearing. For some reason. No errors? No. What? What? Why? I'm adding impulse to the prop. Don't know about the sound. I think it's some OGG property. But I removed the translation too. Hello Timmy, how are you doing? Joining late, what's up? So, first, since you just joined the stream, I will have to open your box, right? Let's see what your box holds. Okay, it's a nice box. Alright, cool. Let's go back. A car with new handling. Let's go back to our Waba Jack. Like, it is spawning the prop here. A lot of things in such a small box, yes. But for some reason, this prop is disappearing. I really don't know. Line 29. There's an error in line 29. Oh no, this was earlier. Okay. Wobble Jack. Okay, it is here. Lots of nanos updates today. Yes, yes, there were a lot of stuff. Dude, why is this not working? Handler, get rotation for the vector. It's the same piece of code, literally the same. Add impulse. Hopefully vehicles are slightly better. I'm gonna test the vehicles soon. I just want to make this work. Dude, what is happening? See? There is like a ball appearing out of nowhere sometimes. I think I'm gonna go back to my translate to. I think I'm gonna go back to my translate to, sadly. I would like to launch a ball, you know, and use the physics to see the ball going around. Hmm. Let's see. Wobble jack. Yes, see? This ball. This should transform whatever it touches into chickens. It kinda works. And the other function that we have for the wobble jack is the emoji burst. So we have like, now that I'm thinking, we can create emojis. What I'm doing with my life. Let me try the new vehicle. Yeah, but I'm not happy. I will not. I'm not lie to you. I'm not happy with this ball. I was like I'm a bit disappointed. I didn't want it translate to make the ball smaller. The problem are not the particles. I feel I don't want to translate to. I want to add impulse. But adding like, look at this. Translate to is working fine, right? But when I do add impulse, no, I tried it. It doesn't work. Doesn't work. Look at this. But I like the idea of destroying on the first hit. No, it doesn't matter. Like, look at this. That's not the problem. You are not. You are not. Look at this. Like, it's not going to the direction I'm looking at. See? It is weirdly positioned somewhere. It goes to like a weird random direction. Not random direction, it is somehow on the same place, I guess. Maybe the Baba Jack is hitting it. Good point. Maybe. Let's test. No. Can I get the direction from vector? The punch sound is hitting. Look at this. I'm getting the location. Let's see. But I'm spawning like 300 units away from me. Okay, cool. Let's see. Even this, look at this. It is going to a weird direction. Don't know why. Yeah, and I'm using the same code as this. It's the true parameter. True parameter? What does this? No? But here is local in this side. Here. Let's see. Nah, it's two. The same problem. Oh, look at this. The why does the puke aligns it towards you? I've just copied the puke gun. Is like the same code, like this puke gun, and even wait a second. Wait a second. I'm gonna do this. Exactly like maybe it's the scale. Who knows? Maybe the attached to, because the impulse. Maybe I can do this and then spawn stuff on it. Rotation, whatever, it doesn't matter. Set scale, set lifespan, physics damping, add impulse, add angular impulse. Just add impulse for the vector of true. Okay, not rocket sound, particles, and la la la. It's working. Cool. It's working. And now I need to handle the Hmm. Prop destroy. Okay. And this entity has been destroyed. I don't know. If prop. Got destroy trigger. Alright, cool. That's it. I think that's it. Yes, yes, yes. We have. Amazing, 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 amazing. We have a Wobba Jack that with 2 functions, and now just for us to have something for today. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna open the server. It's been 2 hours. Maybe we could add another function. Let's see. It's quite late here. Maybe should try doing. Let's just. Open the server. Language global. Ooh. Can we be on Cuba? How does this work? In Cuba. Ocean map. I want to. It's called like default testing map. Yeah, I can. Let's see if I. Let's just restart the server. Okay, so viewers, possible. You guys can join me. Let me remove this song. Okay. Let's see here. Weapons, we have Wobba Jack, and we can use on stuff, I guess. It is cool. It is cool. It is cool. And does the chicken die? It does, right? After like 15 seconds. So join me if I'm online. Also, while we are here, first, okay, I know what I'm going to do. Oh, hey, Sai, come here. Oh, this sound is 2D. The idea now, is for April 1st is to create one arena. The sound is 2D. It's horrible. The sound is 2D. I need to fix this. Look at this. chicken? Yeah, where is the chicken? I mean, the chicken appears, but I'm destroying the ball. Hey, side. Can ah! I wanna do something. I wanna do something. Wobble Jack, Pandora's box. Check Pandora's box functions and adapt it. I want you to fridge test something that is super cool. Where? Okay, here. Here, let's see. There is a small box. If you wanna open this box, let's see here. That's so pretty. Oh, you became an error. Wow. Let's see something. Like the chicken. Wabba Jack. I didn't like my back. Oi! There's so much random stuff in the Pandora's box. I'm gonna add more function to the Wobble Jack. Maybe not now, but for the... You are small. That's another good function. I spawned a lot of invisible static mesh. Okay, I think that's it for today, maybe. The chicken gun! It was supposed to transform you in a chicken. But it oh my god, I can't believe. There but the chicken didn't work, but it was way better, yes. Wobble Jack, I wanna see something here. 1 second. What I like about the Pandora's box is the randomness. What are you doing? Is the randomness of it. I think I can just include the functions from Pandora's box to whatever. Let's see here. Emoji burst. Okay, cool. It's full of static mesh invisible. Static mesh? I have a balloon. What do you mean? From this of a jack? Oh yeah, maybe it's enable or debug. Maybe it's some emoji that doesn't exist, but it will show an error, right? Okay. Nope, it's static mesh. What? What? That's true. What is the... We can't even walk there. Wow. But it's not the Wobble Jack. It's the Pandora's box, no? I don't know. I don't know what is this happening. I can check later. I may know what is happening. I'm gonna run a clean later. Oi. And the chicken got destroyed. The chicken is destroyed. Yeah, yeah. I think I need to kill the chicken, like kill and then destroy. Oi. The chicken. Honestly, I'm stuck in the Pandora's box. It's the most fun part so far for me. Nice. I'm just doing another thing here. I'm not gonna close this tree now. Wow. Check my stream. Wow. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna reload. Oi, why do I have... Let's see Wobble Jack now. We have more functions. The game crashed. Hi. I see that you send me I need to close my game. This is my game, right? Where's my game? Okay, here's my game. the sound is still playing and my game is closed. It's not even opening. Steam is not even opening anymore. This Wabajek version was not. This was not approved. The human creates the AI discrete. I agree. I was just seeing if. It was possible, like if Claude would be able to create something. Is this from Nanos? No, right? Okay, cool. So yeah, as we concluded today that Claude don't know on how to implement other Wabajek functions. Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna do like some fine tuning. What is this? What is this? This is mine. Okay. Then Claude, that's true. There's some cool stuff that I wanna add, like this is mine. Oh my god, that's fun. It doesn't make much sense. Wow, that's pretty. Anyway, so people, that's it for today's stream. Thanks for coming. Thanks everyone for coming here. The Wabajek became Pandora Jack. Yes, that's not what we want. We want some PvP weapon, I guess. Something that we can like shoot at each other. I'm gonna implement more stuff for April's 1st. I think we will we will have another stream, right? What day is it? Let's see. No, actually no. So next Wednesday, I create like a simple game mode for April Fools. I'm not sure if other people, if they are creating stuff for April Fools. I hope they are. But I will not string this process because I think I need to be more concentrated. Anyway, so thanks for coming. Thanks again, everyone. And bye. See ya, people. Thanks, Said. Thanks, Timmy. Thanks, people that creates this amazing Nanos community. Wow! Kisses.